just call it exercise pitch black.
Yeah, it is quite literally pitch black out there.
I'm Staff Sergeant Noah Isom. I'm an aircraft loadmaster on the C-130J, and right now what we're doing is a tactical airlift.
My name's Scott Morgan. I'm a C-27J Sergeant Loadmaster.
My name is Jorge Garin Burgos. I'm a Master Sergeant, Spanish Air Force.
So what a tactical airlift is the movement of personnel or pieces of cargo in a tactical environment wherever it is across the globe.
We're simulating the insertion and exfil of personnel to an airfield.
Our role as a loadmaster is to prepare all the cargo for drops or for logistic missions. We have never worked with the Australian Air Force, so for us it's pretty important to be here and to fly with other nations, other procedures, and how are they done by other nations.